Water is really important on tour, in life in general, and when you have to supply all your own water for 50, 60 people, it becomes quite an operation. We go through about 500 to 700 liters of water a day for a group of 60 people. That's just drinking and washing and the food and kitchen. We have expedition tours and sort of hotel tours, the main sort of categories. On hotel tours, many municipalities would treat the water, and then it's up to the people whether they want to drink the tap water. We still offer treated drinking water. But on the expedition tours, it's a little bit harder. Sometimes you have to drive a day ahead to find water, and it takes a lot of sort of planning beforehand. But the routes get scouted ahead, and the tour leaders and the cooks and the drivers have been up and down the stretch many times. So they know where all the good water sources are. Then normally we'll plan the route, so you'll be like every 3 or 4 days there is a good supply of water. There is a lot of good water around the world. So if you just know where to find it, and that is what we send the scouting team for, not just the route, but also to plan for food and water. Even though we get from reliable water sources, we still treat the water because maybe then you go to a new area and there's sort of bacteria and things that you're not used to. So all the drinking water we treat. The water in the truck is not treated, but before they go into these drinking jerry cans, we'll treat them with, there's many different types of water treatment. We use pristine, it's like a 2-part treatment. So we just keep a close eye on the bottle. As they get empty, we keep supplying, and these are purely for drinking. The water from the truck is for cooking, it gets boiled or washing hands. On the odd occasion where we're out in the desert, we might offer some bottle wash, so 2 bottles of water to wash yourself with, but that all depends on water availability. If there is no water, then we just have to baby wipe, shower, and continue on to the next day. This truck here, this is our main or dinner truck. So most of the water here goes for cooking and washing hands. We can carry about 1,000 liters, about a ton of water. And then if we need to go fetch water, we'll go fetch it in the trailer. Right? So this trailer carries about another 1,000 liters of water. Many times the big trucks are very stationary. So this trailer would go with one of the smaller vehicles, sometimes a day away to fetch water on the much drier places. Sharita, hoeveel water van die lunchtrok? 84 voor en 42 agter. That's pretty close. Okay, so it's 480 liters in the front and 220 in the back of the lunch. So that'll make it a total of almost 3,000 liters.